In this video, we are going to talk about the why omega-3 alone don't work. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Let's start. Most of the types of fats that the body requires can be produced by it from other fats or basic materials. The case with omega-3 fatty acids is different, also called omega-3 fats and N3 fats. These are necessary fats that the body cannot produce on its own and must obtain from meals. Fish, vegetable oils, nuts, particularly walnuts, flax seeds, flaxseed oil, and green vegetables are among the foods high in omega-3. Essential components of cells and metabolic pathways are omega-3 fatty acids. They exist in three different forms: eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, eicosahexaenoic acid, and alpha-linolenic fatty acid, ALA, DHA. All three are a part of the metabolic process that turns ALA into EPA and DHA. Because the body cannot produce ALA on its own and must acquire it from food sources like olive oil, seeds, and nuts, ALA is referred to as an essential omega-3 fatty acid. EPA and DHA are frequently found in diet, particularly seafood. Getting adequate omega-3 fatty acids reduces the effects of omega-6 excess, another fatty acid linked to inflammation. The Western diet typically has a 16:1 ratio of too much omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids. A sufficient intake of omega-3 fatty acids appears to provide anti-inflammatory properties as well as benefits against depression and cardiovascular disease. What do we know about the effectiveness of omega-3 supplements? Omega-3 supplements don't appear to lower the risk of heart disease, according to research. However, those who consume seafood 1 to 4 times a week have a lower risk of passing away from heart disease. Triglyceride levels can be lowered by high omega-3 dosages. Omega-3 dietary supplements could reduce rheumatoid arthritis symptoms. Age-related macular degeneration is an eye condition that has not been conclusively linked to age-related omega-3 supplementation. The evidence is either inconclusive or does not support the use of omega-3 supplements for the majority of other disorders for which they have been researched. What do we know about the safety of omega-3 supplements? Omega-3s typically have few, if any, adverse effects. On whether omega-3 fatty acids may affect the risk of prostate cancer, there is conflicting information. Consult your doctor before using omega-3 supplements if you have a blood clotting disorder, a fish or shellfish allergy, or any other medical conditions. How omega-3s affect metabolic health. The metabolic syndrome is characterized by persistent low-grade inflammation, whereas the human body utilizes brief bouts of inflammation to fend off disease. Numerous illnesses, such as cancer, neurological disorders, and cardiovascular and cancer diseases, are all caused by it. Omega-3s fight inflammation in additional ways besides preventing pro-inflammatory PG2S and encouraging the creation of anti-inflammatory PG1. The pro-inflammatory pathways involving proteins like NF-kappa B, NF-kB, and the creation of pro-inflammatory cytokines, which are other proteins involved in cell signaling, are disrupted by the action of omega-3s on gene expression within cells. Additionally, the formation of other pro-inflammatory chemicals including thromboxanes and leukotrienes is restricted by omega-3s, particularly EPA and DHA. When there are an abundance of omega-3s, the omega-6 metabolic pathway, which generates these inflammatory chemicals, cannot function because it competes for the same finite enzymes required by the omega-3 process. Less pro-inflammatory molecules are produced as a result of this competition, while the production of anti-inflammatory mediators increases. Large-scale human investigations are still lacking, therefore it is unclear if these pathways result in better glucose profiles in people. Little influence on glucose management was identified in 2 meta-analyses evaluating the efficacy of omega-3 supplementation on metabolic indicators in diabetic patients. Both did exhibit lower triglyceride levels, which is essential for metabolic health. Omega-3s only support heart health. Although there is a strong link between omega-3 fatty acids and cardiovascular health, the benefits of omega-3s for the body go far beyond the heart. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching, and see you next time.